In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove your accountant in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through both removing an existing accountant and adding a new one, so by the end you'll know exactly how to manage accountant access in your QuickBooks account. This is especially important for keeping your books secure and making sure only the right people have access. First, let's look at how to remove an accountant. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online as the primary admin. Only the primary admin has permission to add or remove accountant access, so if you don't see some of the options I mentioned, double-check that you're using the correct login. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. From the menu that opens, select Manage Users. This is where QuickBooks stores all your user and accountant access settings. Inside Manage Users, you'll see a few different tabs. Click on the tab labeled Accountants or Accounting Firms, depending on what your version of QuickBooks calls it. This tab shows all accounting professionals or firms that currently have access to your books. Find the accountant you want to remove from the list. When you've located them, look over to the Action column on the right-hand side. Click Delete, and QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. Click Delete again to finalize the removal. Once you do this, that accountant will no longer be able to access your QuickBooks company. There is one important note here. If the person you're trying to remove is set as the lead accountant on your account, you'll need to assign a new lead accountant before you can delete them. QuickBooks won't let you remove the current lead until another accountant is designated to take that role. Now let's go through how to add an accountant. Just like before, you'll start by signing in as the primary admin. Click the gear icon at the top right and choose Manage Users from the menu. Again, go to the Accountants or Accounting Firms tab. This time, instead of looking for an existing name, you'll click the option that says Add Accountant or something very similar depending on your interface. A window will open where you can enter your accountant's name and email address. Make sure the email is correct because that's where their invitation will be sent. Next, choose their role. This might be something like Company Admin or another role with specific access levels, depending on what you want them to see and do in your books. When everything looks good, click Send Invitation. Your accountant will receive an email inviting them to access your QuickBooks Online company. They'll need to open that email and accept the invitation to complete the setup. If they don't see it right away, have them check their spam or junk folder. And if needed, you can always go back to the same area and resend the invite so they can try again. That's all there is to it. By using the Manage Users section and the Accountants tab, you can quickly add or remove accountants and keep control over who has access to your financial data in QuickBooks Online.